Hey, welcome to my video. This is going to be a short video on how to restore the enamel lettering on a pocket watch bridge. It's a pretty easy thing to do. We're going to go over some of the materials that you need first, and then we'll talk about how to do the process. Vintage pocket watches usually had enamel in the engravings of the back of the watch, and it usually was black. But over the enamel holds up good to cleaning, but over the years the enamel chips and comes out of the lettering. So what we're going to do is take some enamel paint and apply it to the lettering and try to make this pocket watch look good again. First thing, you want to make sure your part is good and clean. And I use the enamel paint that I use is the model paint that you get at any modeling store or where they sell model stuff. This is Testors enamel paint. It works really well, and I've had no problems with it. Next thing you need is a small modeling paintbrush with a fine tip on it. And another thing that you need is a good supply of Q-tips, or just regular Q-tips. And then you need some denatured alcohol, and that's used to clean up your paintbrush, and also to dip the Q-tip in to clean the paint off of the watch bridge. You can get that at any supply store, hardware store. So let's get started with our project. So we take our paintbrush, we dab it in a little bit of the enamel paint and start filling in the letters. You don't have to be real neat about it. You can just dab it on there, dab it on the letters, but you want to be very careful not to get it in any screw holes or to get it in the jewels, any of your jewels. Sometimes it's good to just remove the jewels, but if you have enough space on your bridge, you can work around the jewels. So you just dab the paint on there and you let it sit for about 10 seconds. You don't want to leave it on there. And you dip your Q-tip in your denatured alcohol and just clean off the excess enamel paint. It comes off pretty easy. If you leave the paint on too long, it'll get into any cracks that are, any scratches that are on the bridge, and it'll fill those in too, and it'll kind of discolor the bridge a little bit. But that's all there is to it. You just take that Q-tip, rub it around on there, get all the excess paint, and it leaves the paint in the engraved letters, and it makes your watch bridge look good as new. Okay, let's do it again. Just get a little paint on your brush, apply it to your watch bridge, let it set about 10 seconds. Get some denatured alcohol on your Q-tip. And remove the excess paint. Pretty simple, easy fix. but it really makes your watch look good after you're done. The black really shows up good on the nickel plates too. Now they used other colors, and you can use other colors, and I'll show you some that I've fixed with the enamel paint that were a different color. Now here's one with the black enamel that was pretty bad looking, and it filled in really nice with that black enamel that really looks good on the that nickel plate. And here's one with gold paint, enamel paint, and I use the same brand of paint, the Testors paint. They make it in gold too. They also make, of course they make different colors, but there you go. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple, straightforward thing, and it really dresses up your pocket watch. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.